5 years ago. An annual bonfire.
Well, it wasn't a bonfire to start with. It was to keep my friends together. I've been in business since 1952, which makes us 72 years old as of May 15th.
That's what's up.
And I plan to be around another 72 years.
Say that.
And you know it.
I'm gonna be here with you.
I started when I was 11 years old on the street corner where I used to live, right across the street from the entrance into Douglas Park. After 2 summers on that corner, my mom and dad both quit their job, helped me open the store at 25th and MLK. Now it used to be Northwestern Avenue. And from there on, it's just been trucking it, hard work, dedication, and doing what I like to do.
For sure.
And I want to add, he has a store tomorrow, the Coast Plate. He sell food in Lucas Oil. So every Sunday when the Coast have a home game, he's got a store down there working. He's getting it in.
Yes, sir.
There's been a lot of times that we cut off because of the weather, but it's perfect tonight.
Yes, sir.
Everybody having a good time.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna go right here.
Yep, here we go now.
That's how we come.
He's the older brother of Mike Evans. That's his little brother.
Yeah.
Thank y'all. Y'all partying up in here tonight. Woo! Yeah. We're gonna keep it going, y'all. Keep it going. Thank y'all for coming out and joining Downstroke. We're gonna have us a good time tonight, y'all. So y'all just keep on partying with us, all right? We got you. Oh, yeah. Put your hands together. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'll get up. Oh, yeah. Michelle Brown, them white girls. This was for them good girls. Them good girls. Stay fast to me. Silent, wild, living it up in the city. I got dogs on and say you're wrong. Don't kick yourself so bad. Too high, hot damn. Too high, hot damn. Too high, hot damn. Too high, hot damn. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah.
All right. How you doing?
How are you?
All right.
Hey, Jeff.
Yes, sir.
I need to get you on this videography, man.
What I
This
done
guy
done?
right here, you know, this the fish man.
What's
This
up,
Jack.
my guy?
He the fish man.
What he
He's a
do?
motorcycle
What he
racer.
do?
He,
Yes,
he
sir.
wear a lot of different hats.
Yes,
he
sir.
do a lot of shit around here, okay?
Yes, I do.
But fish is one of his specialties along with a lot of other shit, okay?
This woman will do anything for her, you know. That's right. Before she
My guy
moved in with him. He paid her light bill, her gas bill, paid her car note, took care of all them loans that she had left out, you know what I'm saying? He even took care of student loan that she had. Oh yeah. Like I said, he paid the car note on that Mercedes Benz. Yeah. 2024. And you know that had to be paid for. You don't want the repo man to come get that. Anyway, one night he decided that they was gonna have a real good time together. You know, they sent the kids over to their sister's house. You know how you have to do that, so they could be all alone. Yeah. And as they were laying there in the bed together, they went over to turn the lights down. Turn the lights down.
We sell heating and cooling equipment, mechanical contractors, pinnacle equipment. Website www.peci.co.
So. Yes, sir.
Oh, no. So I don't fit in. He's the DJ tonight.
Hey, man.
He's the DJ tonight.
Hey, man.
Hey, yeah. When they ain't playing, he playing. Okay?
Man, we go back on the motorcycle. Hey,
We go way back. Yeah.
we can drag racing on Saturday.
Hey, Sam, Elenato at the park.
Oh, man. Man.